Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia with a GDI engine guys, 2.4 GDI engine, and you're trying to find where your crankshaft position sensor is located. Stay with us and we'll cover that today. Now, the crankshaft position sensor, it's at a hidden location. You need to, it will show you how to access it. It's not very complicated once you know where it's located guys. But if you need to buy a new replacement sensor, parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. So this is a 2.4 GDI engine that you can find on multiple models. Okay, you can see this is can be found probably in about 10 Hyundai and Kia models. It's been developed together in both vehicles, so practically it's the same engine. And the crankshaft position sensor, if you look on the engine, it's hard to notice. You go underneath, you don't notice anything. We remove the exhaust manifold here. Okay, we remove that exhaust manifold, but you can do it without removing the exhaust manifold. Okay, but that way we can clearly show you where it's located. Okay, you do not need to remove the exhaust manifold. That plate right here, that shield plate, thermal shield plate, if you remove it guys, that's where your crankshaft position sensor is located. And we have a special video that explains how to test crankshaft position sensor, so please check it out. It will teach you how to do that. So this one's out. Okay, now another one. Perfect. And you can see it will come out. Now the crankshaft position sensor itself, okay, it is right there. It has only one bolt. Make sure you don't drop dirt, dust inside the engine, because you'll get in the engine oil and you don't want to ruin your engine, so clean around it if it's dirty. And all we have to do, remove the bolt. It could be stuck. You can twist it a little bit if you grab it left, right a little bit and pull at the same time, because it has an O-ring that prevents oil leaks. Okay, this is it. This is crankshaft position sensor. And how you disconnect it, you come right here on top. Okay, right there. You're going to pull up. Okay, we need to spread that one first. Okay, this one we will disconnect it by pressing the metal thing, and now we need to actually go ahead, grab it and pull it up. Okay, perfect, just like that, and it will come out. Now if you need to buy a new one, we will have the link in the description of the video below. If you want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor guys on a car, we have the video on the channel that will explain how to do that. Usually you have 3 wires on the crankshaft position sensor, so we have a video. I think we made it on BMW. It will be about the same way, and we'll have one coming very soon on Hyundai and Kia vehicles, how to test crankshaft position sensor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.